Welcome back to Zeno Page Builder. Today we are going to learn how to use the text element. The text element allows you to add and customize text on the page. Here I have a text element, and you can type the text by clicking and typing like this. Let's walk through the options the text element has to offer. First, we have font option. You can change the font for the text, change color, adjust font size, line height, letter spacing, word spacing. You can align the text to the left, to center, to the right, or justify like this. You can transform the text to uppercase, lowercase, or capitalize. You can add, underline, line through, or overlay to the text. You can adjust font weight to normal, bold, or light. You can make the text italic. Go to Advanced tab. You can toggle on and off visibility for the text on desktop, on tablet, or on mobile. You can adjust opacity for the text, add a background for it to a color, or to an image. You can show model for the text, box shadow, or text shadow, and even animations. Moreover, you can select some words on the text element, and it will show the inline editor. It allows you to make the selected text bold, italic, underline, add a link for it, set a color, and make it a list like this. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on mastering Zeno Page Builder.